Plov is a very versatile dish. It can be made with beef or lamb, with berries or without berries, and even multicolored rice called pilaf can pass for plov. But today we're going to be making the most simple, traditional Uzbeki plov. The first thing you're going to want to do is soak your rice. Your rice should soak for at least 2 hours, so this should be the first thing you do. While the rice is soaking, you want to take a large pot and heat some oil over medium-high heat. Then, once your oil is hot, add in a small piece of onion. This will ensure that when you add all of your onions, the oil will be at the right temperature. Once your onion is caramelized, take it out, and then add all of your onions. Once your onions are also browned and caramelized, it is time to add our meat. Here I used lamb leg, which is very traditional, but you can also use beef, chicken, or anything else you would like. Once your lamb is also caramelized, it is time to add in our carrots. With the carrots, of course, you need to add the most traditional plov spice, cumin seed. Once your carrots have softened, it's time to add in our water. You want to make sure to add boiling water, or else our carrots will start cooking from the beginning and become a mush. Once your water is boiling, you want to lower the heat to low and simmer for 40 minutes. Once our stock has reduced, it's time to add in our garlic. Then season with about half a tablespoon of salt. You can also add chili peppers if you want a little kick. Now back to our rice. You want to make sure to wash all of the starch out of the rice. Start by pouring in water, washing it, and then putting it through a strainer. Do this about 8 times or until the water is as clear as this. Then take your washed rice and put it on top of the stock. You want to make sure that it does not mix with any of the other layers. Then spread it out into one thin layer. On top of that, add more boiling water until it's completely covered. Then, to ensure that the rice cooks evenly, once the water is on a rapid boil, move all the rice into a pile. Then spread it back out. This will ensure none of the rice is over or undercooked. Once there is no visible water left, take a wooden spoon and poke some holes in the rice. This will make any water that is left at the bottom escape. Once you are sure that there is no water left, yet again put your rice into a pile and make sure that none of it is touching the edges. This will ensure that the rice doesn't stick. Once your rice is in a pile, add a plate on top, and on top of that, add some paper towels. The paper towels will absorb all of the moisture. Then add a lid and simmer on low for about 40 minutes to an hour. And there you have it, traditional Uzbek plov, made right from your very home. Remember to like if you liked and subscribe for more. If you want to know the exact amounts and ingredients, it's always in the description. I'll see you in the next one.